If you would like to test now, we would like to avoid also rebuilding our environment over and over again. So we need to think first how we can go backwards without rebuilding everything. And this is what we would like to show you here. Because all our tests need to be repeatable, and therefore we will use guaranteed restore points or a snapshot standby. So for a guaranteed restore point, I guess you're familiar with that technique. You set a GRP, then you test, and especially if a test is destructive, you would like to go backwards afterwards. And this is easily done with a flashback database to the GRP. So before test, on the left side of this table, you set the GRP with create restore point, whatever name, guarantee flashback database. Then you do your test or your upgrade. After done with that, you shut on immediate, startup mount, flashback to the restore point on the right side of the slide. Then you shut on immediate and you go back to your source environment, especially if it's different environments, and then you startup mount and your alt database open reset logs. That's a simple technique. It's very fast and it just works. Another technique would be using a snapshot standby. So in this case here, we build up a hybrid data guard setup. Our production database is still on-prem, and there's this great technical brief out there explaining how to easily build up a physical standby in the cloud while your source is still on-prem. This is quickly done, and once the standby is in place, we can convert it into a snapshot standby. Then automatically a guaranteed restore point will be set. You can test and destroy or whatever, and once you're done, you convert back into a physical standby. And the good thing with that technique is your logs still get shipped while you do that. And so once you convert back into your physical standby and several gigabytes or terabytes of logs have been sent over, before the database will be made available, it will sync all the log files. So you're always up to date. And this is very important. In some cases, you need always up-to-date data, and then the snapshot standby technique would be the best.